Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to start with Sri Lanka. Okay, in the last video we have done with Pakistan, Nepal, and Myanmar. Okay, so Sri Lanka, this is also one of the neighboring country of India. So Sri Lanka is an island nation. Okay, it is located just off the southern tip of India. Okay, जो south की it is located where it lies beta. It is just located of the southern tip of India. जो हमारा south of India, there it is located, and the total population is 21 million, and its capital city is, what is the capital city of Sri Lanka? That is Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte. So this is the capital city of Sri Lanka. What is the capital city? Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte, and the currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. What is the currency? Sri Lankan rupee, and it has an abundance of natural resources, flora, fauna, mountains, rivers, and beautiful beaches are there. Okay, and this is not landlocked country because it is surrounded by water. Okay, and flora and fauna means plants and animals are there, mountains are there, rivers are there, and beautiful beaches are there. And what is the official language? That is Sinhalese and Tamil. These are the two official languages that are spoken in Sri Lanka. And the crops that are produced over here, that is tea, coffee, cinnamon. Cinnamon होता है बेटा दालचीनी, ठीक है, ये सबके घर में प्रेजेंट होती है. सो यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम योर मदर फॉर सिनेमन, दालचीनी. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन श्रीलंका आर बुद्धिस्ट. ठीक है, जो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैं वो क्या है? दे आर बुद्धिस्ट. एंड दिस इज द फ्लैग ऑफ श्रीलंका. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट श्रीलंका. नेक्स्ट इज मालदीव्स. Maldives is a country full of natural beauty. This is very beautiful country beta, and it is one of the popular tourist destinations in South Asia. ये पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है, यहाँ पे लोग घूमने आते हैं. इट्स पीपल आर नोन एज मालदीवियंस, एंड इट्स पॉपुलेशन इज अबाउट 4,51,290. बहुत ही कम पॉपुलेशन है यहाँ पे. एंड कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ मालदीव्स इज मेल. क्या है कैपिटल सिटी मालदीव्स की? दैट इज मेल. एंड करेंसी ऑफ मालदीव्स इज रुफिया. व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ मालदीव्स? दैट इज रुफिया. एंड इस्लाम एंड बुद्धिज्म आर पॉपुलर रिलीजन्स इन मालदीव्स. कौन कौन से धर्म हैं ज़्यादातर मालदीव्स में? बुद्धिज्म एंड इस्लाम. एंड लैंग्वेज ऑफ मालदीव्स इज सिमिलर टू Tamil and Sinhalese languages. Okay, so what is the language that is spoken over here? That is Tamil and Sinhalese. And Maldives looks like a garland of islands. Garlands means क्या होता है बेटा? एक हार की तरह दिखता है ये, ठीक है, क्योंकि islands इस तरह से है यहाँ पे. Islands are in such a manner that they look like a garland. एक हार की तरह लगते हैं ये islands हमें. Okay. Now next is most of the islands in Maldives are shorter than a mile. छोटे छोटे islands हैं, ठीक है. एंड वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट islands that is Minicoy. जो सबसे बड़ा आइलैंड है दैट इज़ मिनिकॉय. एंड मालदीव्स हैज़ अबंडेंट रिसोर्सेज ऑफ फिशरीज इन कोस्टल एरियाज. जो वो फिशेज कैच करते हैं ना बेटा, ठीक है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर इन मालदीव्स. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अबाउट मालदीव्स. एंड now next is, so in this way these all neighboring countries share, or you can say share their trade and cultures within them. Okay, so all these countries they share love, care, religions, languages, cultures, all these things are shared between them. So India plays a very important role in maintaining good relations with her neighboring countries. So India plays a very important role to maintain a relationship between its neighboring countries. Okay beta, now next is SAARC. Okay, so SAARC, what is the full form of SAARC? SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. बेसिकली ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिसके कुछ मेंबर्स हैं, कुछ कंट्रीज़. कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज इसके मेंबर है? इंडिया, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, मालदीव्स, पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान. ओके, सो ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है बेटा जो इन मेंबर कंट्रीज़ के बीच में एक ट्रस्ट, रिलेशनशिप और फ्रेंडशिप, अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करके रखता है, ठीक है. दैट इट टेक केयर ऑफ इट्स मेंबर कंट्रीज एंड आल्सो प्रमोट्स कॉपरेशन in agriculture, science and technology. If any country needs something related to agriculture, related to science and technology, related to health, है ना, population control, anti terrorism, so these countries help each other. Okay, with the help of this organization, that is SAARC. So this is the main function of SAARC, that it promotes or it creates friendship, trust and understanding between its member countries. Okay everyone, so this is our last 7th chapter. We have done with it. Hope you all understand it, and please read this chapter at home. Okay, and in next video we will continue with our chapter 8. Till then, bye bye everyone.